Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Caprivi, nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today, I am going to talk about the top 3 things that I wish I knew about love, or that I would tell my younger self. We talked about this in Black Coffee, Honey, and Grits the other day, and I thought I'd make a video about it because I think it's important. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jamesia Caprivi, nurse practitioner extraordinaire, and today I'm going to talk about the top 3 things that I would have told myself about love at a young age. Anyway, y'all, number 1, more than anything, I would have told myself to be open and to communicate what you want. And if you guys hear background noise, it's because they decided to work on my yard right now. So I apologize for that. But to be open, to communicate what you want, to communicate your feelings, your desires, your needs, all of that. And to know that your voice is important, and to understand and know that what you want is important. Because sometimes we get into relationships for the other person, or maybe not even for the other person, but once we get into the relationship, we do all the things for the other person, and we kind of lose ourselves in the relationship. So I would have told my younger self to just be open and communicate my desires and what I want. So that's number 1. Number 2 is that it really is a journey. Like, love is a journey, and it's work. And it's beautiful, but it does take time, and you have to choose it. You have to choose to do the work. You have to choose to stick in there and do that. And I think that the younger me didn't want to do that, did not want to stick in there, did not want to be on the journey. I just wanted the euphoria, I feel so good like this, but not understanding that there's peaks and valleys and ups and downs, and that it is a journey. And if you are in a situation where it's not a healthy journey, I'm not telling you to stick in there for that. I'm just saying that to cultivate something long and lasting, we need to understand that it is a journey. And that is something I tell myself now because, with being single, that's important to understand that if I want to have a life partner, I have to be willing to do the work. So that's the other thing. And the last thing, which I believe is the most important, is that first you have to love yourself. That you have to cultivate that first, and that the love that you're seeking is what's already inside of you, and only you can cultivate that. That's not up to someone else. That's not their job, right? You have to be the one that provides the thing that you're seeking. Yeah, that is a mouthful, but truly, the love that, again, like I said, the love that you're seeking, the love that you want is what you're cultivating with yourself. And if you're not doing that, then it's going to be hard to expect that from somebody else. So first, do the work on you. Love yourself. Do everything that you want done from someone else with yourself. It's okay. Like I said, I self-date. I take myself out. I go places that I want to go. I do the things that I want to do. And yeah, so when I see it, I know it. And that I can feel that compatibility without worrying about what they need, because I've already understood that the love that I give myself will be easy to give to someone else. So yeah, love yourself. So I think that's the most important. And I really did love the conversation that we had in Black Coffee, Honey, and Grits. So Again, check us out on Clubhouse. Check us out on our YouTube channel, Black Coffee, Honey, and Grits. I got to figure out how to put that in here somewhere so you guys can click on it and enjoy that as well. But anyway, that's all I thought I would share with you. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave me some comments. What do you wish that you would have known or told your younger self about love? Anyway, I am Dr. Jamesia, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire, and I thank you so much for being here. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.